people really try to like flex on the ground and stuff like that, like, and it doesn't ever get pulled off correctly. Like that really amazes me, and amazes me to the point where it's just like maybe I should just like not care anymore, you know? But why is she talking about her feet though? I don't want to look at that feet. If you saying that feet is ugly, then I don't want to look at the feet. Period. Like, it's so weird. I'm done. Wow. She trifling for that. Wow. Yo. Wait. Man, like I can't even open up the freaking fridge. Like I can't eat. Like why? Who parent does this? Like what? Like she really gonna lock the fridge up so I can't eat? I'm grown. Why I gotta eat at a certain time? I'm like so mad. I'm like really mad. Like I can't eat. When I'm gonna eat? Oh Lord. Who locks up the fridge? I'm hungry. I can't even eat a bowl of cereal. Y'all, this is retarded. Why? Why? This is stupid. Oh my god, like I already had a bad day to be